Unlocking the secrets of the job application form. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for both job seekers and English language learners: job application forms. Understanding this document is crucial whether you're applying for your first job or looking to switch careers in an English-speaking country. Let's demystify what it is and how to approach it with confidence. A job application form is a document provided by employers for job candidates to fill out. It's designed to collect personal information, educational background, work experience, and sometimes, specific questions related to the job. Think of it as your first chance to make a good impression on your potential employer. It's not just a form. It's an opportunity to showcase why you're the perfect fit for the job. Personal information. This section asks for your basic details like name, address, phone number, and email address. It's straightforward but crucial for employers to contact you. Educational background. Here, you'll detail your academic achievements. Include your degrees, the institutions you attended, and any relevant certifications or awards. Work experience. This part is about your previous job roles. Describe your responsibilities, achievements, and skills developed in past positions that are relevant to the job you're applying for. References. Employers may request references to verify your work history and character. Provide contact details for former supervisors or colleagues who can vouch for your abilities and work ethic. 1. Read instructions carefully. Every form is unique. Pay close attention to what is asked and how answers should be provided. 2. Be honest and accurate. Misleading information can disqualify you. 3. Tailor your responses. Highlight experiences and skills relevant to the job. 4. Check your spelling and grammar. As an English language learner, take extra care here. Errors can make a bad impression. 5. Keep copies. It's helpful to have your answers for future applications or interviews. Filling out a job application form can be a stepping stone towards landing your dream job. Remember, it's your opportunity to shine and show why you're the right person for the position. We hope this video helps you understand and master the job application process. Good luck, and we're rooting for you.